Hey guys, subscribe to Shyam Sundar 1997's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shyam Sundar 1997 Animations presents Dark Snowbuddy Bro destroys my house with an earthquake/grounded. This video was inspired by Krakow Fanatic 2022. And also, this is my first episode of Dark Snowbuddy Bro Gets Grounded series, so, enjoy.
What in the world is this? Shyam Sundar 1997 is making grounded videos out of troublemakers. Even worse, he started making a grounded videos out of me, Dark Captain Syrup, Dark Princess Shokora, Dark Queen Merelda, and Dark Harley Buddy Bro. Well, I wish I could teach him a lesson, but how? I have an idea. I'm going to destroy his house with an earthquake. There it is, Shyam Sundar 1997's house. Now to destroy it with an earthquake. Yes, I destroyed Shyam Sundar 1997's house with an earthquake. Yes, I destroyed Shyam Sundar 1997's house with an earthquake. Yes, I destroyed Shyam Sundar 1997's house with an earthquake. Now to run away before I get caught.
Man, that was an awesome workout, but now, it's time for me to head back inside my house and make more grounded videos out of troublemakers. What the? My house has been destroyed. How did this happen? Wait a minute, Dark Snowbuddy Bro must have destroyed my house with an earthquake. That's it, I'm calling his parents right now. Hello, is this Dark Snowbuddy Bro's parents? Well, your son Dark Snowbuddy Bro destroyed my house with an earthquake.
Dark Snowbuddy Bro did what? Oh my gosh! Thanks for telling us. We're going to deal with him right now. Goodbye. Dark Snowbuddy Bro, Shyam Sundar 1997 has just telephoned. He told us that you destroyed his house with an earthquake. Why would you do that?
Because he was making grounded videos out of troublemakers. And to make matters worse, he started making grounded videos out of me, Dark Captain Syrup, Dark Princess Shokora, Dark Queen Merelda, and Dark Harley Buddy Bro.
Well, that doesn't give you the right to destroy Shyam Sundar 1997's house with an earthquake, and thanks to you, he needs a new house.
That's it. You are grounded until Shyam Sundar 1997 gets a new house. Go to your room right now. Man, this really sucks.